Switching gears, Pixel 5 just reportedly got a big GPU performance boost with its new update, and this affects a lot of different devices. And Google said that they had started rolling out the April Android security update for its Pixel phones, and with this security update, it looks like it brought a lot of different performance improvements as well. So right now, AnandTech previously found that Pixel 5 had a much worse GPU results than other phones using the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chip, and they said the performance was really not as good compared to other phones out there using the same exact chip. But now he looked at it again, did another review, and says that the Pixel 5, the performance has essentially been doubled in terms of GPU performance from the review's initial figures, and now it's in line and even better than a lot of the other 765G phones out there. So while benchmarks don't really, they don't translate into real world results, it's not going to perform exactly how the benchmark does, it is a good sign that it is faster than it was. It's definitely faster, performing better than it was before. And they said that these performance upgrades in this security update is going to be helping certain graphic-intensive apps and games on the Pixel 5, 4a, and 4a 5G. They also said that it's also going to affect some Pixel 3 and Pixel 4 generation phones. A couple of updates there as well. So this is really exciting. Some GPU performance upgrades in this new security update.